everyone, my name is Syed shuraim. I am studying 4th standard. My school name is Daffodils International Public School. Today my topic is Revolution of the Earth and Season. The Earth not only spins on its axis, it also moves around the sun at the same time. This movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. The Earth follows the fixed path around the sun. This path is called its orbit. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. We consider a year have to make 365 days. The extra 1/4 day is added up and every 4th year, 1 day is added up to the month of February. Such a year as we learned is known as leap year. In a leap year, there are 366 days and February has 29 days. Effect of rotation. The changing seasons. The revolution of the earth around the sun together with the earth's axis causes the changing season. In a year we experience 4 main seasons. They are summer, winter, spring and autumn. The season affect our lives in many ways. They affect the way plant grows and also the type of plant that grow. They influence what we eat and what we wear. Birds and animals build their nests, have young ones and move one part of the world to another according to the season. Winter is the coldest season of a year. In this season, many places experience snowfall. Birds fly away to the warmer places and some animals go to the long deep sleep. Trees shed their leaves. After winter comes spring. The weather becomes warmer in this season and snow melts. Spring is followed by the summer. Spring is followed by the summer. Summer is the hottest part of a year. Plants grow fast in this time. Autumn comes after summer. It becomes cool. The leaves on trees change colors. They become yellow and then red and start falling. Autumn gives way to the winter and thus completes the cycle of season. The part of the earth that is tilted towards the sun receives more heat, while the part of the earth that is tilted away from the sun receives less heat. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.